Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today is Friday and Elisa has her first ever nursery/school assembly today, and she's going to be singing and I'm going to be so proud. I'm going to film it all, but I'm not going to put it on YouTube because obviously there's loads of kids there and I don't really want to expose everybody, do you know what I mean? It is currently 9:30 and her assembly is at 10:30, so I've got a little bit of time before I have to go to that. I was in my car on the way home. I was like, this is just ridiculous now. My car was filthy, okay? It was disgusting. Just emptied it all out. This bag is full of rubbish. Like, there was rubbish all over the floor, everywhere. And then all of this stuff was also on the floor of the car and just around the car. These we got yesterday from McDonald's. What are you doing? There's like clothes, hairbands. Clearly Elisa doesn't like wearing hairbands because she just takes them off when we get in the car. And then Issa likes to take his socks off and just throw them everywhere. So we've got a big collection of socks, which is great. Elisa's gloves and just loads of little bits and bobs, really. I am dressed so differently today. I never ever wear skirts ever, but today I'm wearing a skirt. Shall I show you? Please excuse the messy background as usual. I shouldn't even say it anymore, you guys are used to it. That is my skirt. But anyway, I'm gonna get as much done as I can. I'm supposed to be hoovering the car, but I really can't be bothered right now. So this lovely girl messaged me on Instagram and wanted to send me some of her protein balls, and I was like, okay, why not? I will show you what they're like. They look so cute. Like, imagine getting this as a little present. Just like the most adorable thing ever. Look how beautifully it's packaged. I just opened the box and this is what they look like. They're so cute. I'm gonna try one in a second. Oh, look how cute they are. They look like little what are they called? What are they called? Like something. Yeah. Or
date balls. They look like those Asian sweets.
Yeah, they're cute. Come try it.
Is it sweet? It's
very nutty, like peanut butter. I get straight away. It's nice, but I don't really like nuts that much.
I do. I love
like
nuts.
Peanuts and stuff. Do you want to try it?
I do.
Fine, try it. What do you think?
No, really nice. No, not what I expected.
No, yeah.
Yeah, really good. And
nice
I love
snack.
any type of nuts. I'll just sit and eat like
peanut butter.
Yeah, all peanut butter.
They're good, isn't it?
They're really nice.
Thumbs up?
Yeah, they're not too sweet.
Yeah.
Are they healthy? Are they healthy tonight now? Tell me.
Yeah, they are. They're protein balls. As my mum was saying before I really interrupted, I really turned the camera off by accident. But what she said, they're a good snack to, what is it?
To reach for instead of chocolate.
Yeah. So, yeah, they're really nice. They're very nutty, coconutty. You can taste the dates in them and they're just really nice. If you want to buy them yourself, this is her name over here on Instagram, so go and follow her and check out her page. I will also leave the link in the description as well. So we just finished at Elisa's nursery. The play was so cute. She was so fidgety. Oh my god, I was like, Elisa, stop from far. But she was so funny. Did you enjoy doing your nursery play? Your nursery singing? I like your star hat. Did you make your star hat? No? We are about to head to my sister's house now because my mum is there with Issa. I'm at my sister's house. My little baby Layla's here. She's so cute and cuddly. She looks massive and chunky today. She's so beautiful, mashallah. Issa's here being a violent child. He keeps throwing this toy at me and the floor. So me and my sister were just talking about politics and how disgusting the results were. Like, last night I was watching the results show live and I was like, this cannot be real. I felt sick to my stomach because it's so disgusting. Like, anyone knows me will know that I just don't like to talk about politics. I don't know, like my eyes glaze over, my brain goes somewhere else when somebody mentions politics. But how disgusting is it that this country is like basically 50% conservative? Disgusting. It's just wrong, and it's so shocking as well. I find it really horrible. Like, I'm moving out of this country. You coming with me? We're all moving out of this country. Who's coming? You want to come, Layla? Are you coming to another country with me? Yeah. You coming? But yes, I don't know. It's just so sad that like the world is like this. Well, this country is like this. Where would you guys move to? Tell me in the comments where you would move to. If you could move anywhere but where you are, where would you go? Me and Hanifa are doing this Trivial Pursuit game thing, and it's all Harry Potter questions. So Hanifa's gonna ask me 6 questions from one card and see how many I can get right. I haven't watched or read Harry Potter in years. Go on then, Hanifa.
Okay.
Fire away.
This is the Dark Arts. Why did Tom Riddle change his name to Lord Voldemort? Was it A, because his father was a muggle and he was ashamed? B, because he wanted a new identity? Or C, because it was easier to remember?
The first one.
Yes.
Yes! 1 out of 1.
How is the ghost of Ravenclaw Tower related to Hogwarts founder Rowena Ravenclaw?
Daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah!
What charm does Hermione use to open a locked door when the trio are running from Filch in the 3rd floor corridor?
Oh, I don't know this one. Oh,
What charm?
Opendo. I don't know.
You don't know the opening door spell?
No!
You're gonna kick yourself.
Oh my gosh. Which one? Oh, the only one I know is Wingardium Leviosa. Lumos. Expelliarmus.
Abracadabra.
Yeah. So which one is it?
Alohomora.
Alohomora.
How do the students open the Monster Book of Monsters?
Stroking the spine.
Yeah.
Yeah!
What colour is Beauxbaton's school uniform?
Beauxbaton. What is that?
Beauxbaton.
Let me just guess. Green.
No, think about the question, Theo Hickson. Beauxbaton. School uniform.
Blue.
Yeah. Fleur de la Cour.
Oh, is that for Fleur de la Cour? Okay. Last
Why
question.
can some people see Thestral?
I don't even know what Thestrals are.
Oh,
I don't know. What is it?
I'll give you a clue.
Go on then.
Luna Lovegood can see them. And Harry can see them. But Ron and Hermione can't. I'll give you another clue.
Go on then.
It's like a type of horse.
I don't know.
You don't remember this?
No, I don't remember that.
They can only be seen by people who have seen death.
Oh, interesting.
What
Issa's doing. He's doing baby. Are you a big baby? Look how cute his outfit is today. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? We are now at home. Elisa wanted a McDonald's again today, so I just got it for her because I'm in one of those moods where I just can't deal with life anymore. Not life, you know, not life, but you know when you just can't use your brain properly. That is my day to day. I'm just feeling like sad and emotional, and I just can't be bothered to argue with my kid. So she got her McDonald's. She had a little ice cream. She had a little bit of a cry because the milkshake machine wasn't working. So I got her an ice cream instead. So she ate that before she ate her dinner, her lunch. Issa is asleep. He fell asleep on the way to McDonald's, so he hasn't even had any food. So when he wakes up, he'll probably have something else. I don't know what. But I'm just like at that point where I'm just like, I feed my kids the same thing every single day, but at the same time they won't eat anything else, so it's the only thing that they will actually eat, and it does stress me out a lot because I'm just like, are they getting enough food? Are they getting enough nutritional stuff in their system? But what can you do?
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
So I tidied Lisa's room, kind of. Still a mess though, because these guys have just taken out toys one after the other. Didn't do the bed because what's the point? Anyway, it's better than it was, so I'm going to move on to the bathroom.
Call me a rover, 'cause I'm a believer of the things we leave. I never hold on, ready for whatever there is left in me. Crash and burn, oh my God, stumble upon what is just my luck, just my luck. 'Cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep
actually boiling. This is all done. The bathroom is nice and clean. Everything is all sorted. The windowsill and this, I always clean it when I'm in the bath, the shower, so that I'm not going to do that today. But the bath is nice and sparkly, all the toys are away. I have to leave these here because Issa likes to play with them, and if they're there he doesn't play with them a lot. Oh my god, I'm actually so... So yeah, everything's nice and tidy. And look at this huge pile of washing that I need to do. Fun times. But anyway, today is basically a cleaning and sorting things out kind of day, so that is what I'm going to be doing all day. So I'm driving because I'm going to my mum's house, but I just wanted to end this vlog. I didn't get a chance to do it earlier, my camera was dead, blah blah blah. I've finished editing it, I just need to add this bit in. But I just wanted to say I'm so sorry this video was all over the place. It was just, I don't know, it was just, my head was not in the right place yesterday and the day before, and I just did not end up finishing the vlogs. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!